So we've covered the basics of normal distribution. Now I want to look at some comparisons between male and female, because it takes us away from something that's purely statistical and lets us put like a psychological edge on it. So what this is on the screen is a comparison of men in the blue, women in the yellow, for their ratings on aggression. Obviously this isn't exact, it's rough, but this is roughly how this distribution looks based on the data that has been collected on aggression. So, as you can see, if I get a different colour, the average for men is higher than the average for women. And I don't think that's a massive surprise to anyone that is not completely possessed by some sort of feminist ideology. So this is the average man. All of these women to the right of this are all more aggressive than the average man. And I imagine if you looked at the actual data, there's a lot more than that. Mine was just, I've kind of like exaggerated the differences to help me make my point. But on average, so the average man is more aggressive than the average woman. Doesn't mean women can't be more aggressive than men, because look, there's these men that aren't aggressive at all. The average woman is more aggressive than them. However, so these means are fairly close. There's not a massive difference in means. There's a lot of overlap. Look, all of this in here is overlap. So where men and women both reside. The only place we don't see overlap is to the left of this line and to the right of this line. Small differences in these means, big differences at the extremes. So everything to the right of this line, just men. So all the most aggressive people, men. Anything to the left of this line, women. All the least aggressive people are women. That's how these distributions lay themselves out naturally based on how we're measuring them. So, what are the implications of that? The fact that all the most aggressive people are men, or the vast majority are men, because obviously you'll get an outlier and you might get a woman like there for some reason, I don't know. But that means men dominate the prison system. They're more aggressive, they get arrested for violent crimes. That's why the incarceration of men is so high. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of stuff. If you didn't, leave a comment, let me know what could be better. I'll try not to cry. Thank you very much.